This is Chef Lee Pierce, and being filmed or what do you call it, peeked in on by my lovely wife Diane. All right, so here's what I'm doing tonight. I got home just a few minutes ago, hungry. She'd already eaten, so I can't blame her for anything. Not that that would even matter. Because we take care of ourselves. So anyway, over here, I thought I was going to do something quick and healthy. So I have some red cabbage. Actually looks purple, doesn't it? White cabbage. I have organic carrots. By the way, all of this is organic. I have fresh peeled garlic. I have an onion also, but since I don't like onions that much, I don't use. I thought I wouldn't put it in tonight's dish. I did last night. I had kale last night. And then sesame seed oil. Love that stuff. And then something called dash. Okay? I love nuts, cashews, unsalted, roasted, raw. And, of course, virgin olive oil. A little bit of cider vinegar. It's good for everything that ails you. And, a little bit of Porto. Okay? That's kind of a balsamic vinegar, if you will. So, all those ingredients went into, come on over here, camera lady. They went into this big skillet here. And I kind of whipped them all together like a wok or something, okay? And then I plated it over here, and I'm getting ready before it gets cold, because I'm dining by myself. I think there's a favorite program on up there, is it, Diane?
Yes, sweetie.
Okay, so take a look at this plate. It plates up really nicely. We got grapes as a garnish, and here's the rest of the stuff. If some people like it a little hotter, here you go, hot sauce. You find this in Chinese restaurants a lot. It's good stuff. And I thought I would pair this with Clos d'Ivoire Sauvignon Blanc. Perfect choice for this this plate. Now let's see what it tastes like. That's what I call throw the napkin.